Come on!
No! Oh my God!
I'm afraid God can't do anything about this. I think you just need a new laptop. How about Apple MacBook Air 13-inch laptop? The blazing fast MacBook Air with the M3 chip is a super portable laptop that sails through work and play. Lightweight and under half an inch thin. The powerful 8-core CPU and up to 10-core GPU of the Apple M3 chip keep things running smoothly. Everything looks and sounds amazing with a 1080p FaceTime HD camera, 3 mics and 4 speakers with spatial audio. MacBook Air features 2 Thunderbolt ports, a headphone jack, Wi-Fi 6E, Bluetooth 5.3 and a MagSafe charging port, and connect up to 2 external displays with the laptop lid closed.